Ground. Ground. Good day.
Good day, go ahead.
At parking. Information. Golf. Read to copy.
You are cleared to Oscar, Mike, Delta, Bravo, Via, Echo, Golf, Romeo, Echo, 1, Juliet, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Cleared to Oscar, Mike, Delta, Bravo, Via, Echo, Golf, Romeo, Echo, 1, Juliet, 4,000 feet. When ready to start.
Redback is correct.
Reached parking area. Switching. Sierra. Zero, 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 zero.
Reach loading area. Switching. Charlie, India, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Reach loading area. Switching.
Reached parking area. Switching. Reached parking area. Switching off. Yankee Whiskey 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Reach loading area. Switching off. Sierra, Oscar, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Good day. Reach parking area. Switching off. Via, Sierra, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, Roger. Good day. Reach parking area. Switching off. Alpha, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, Roger. Good day.
Reached parking area. Switching off. Train 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Switching. Kilo, Yankee, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, Roger. Good day.
Reached parking area. Switching off. Charlie Delta 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Good day.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt, and also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you.
Ground. Request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ground. Request startup.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Ground. Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway. 16 center.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway. 16 center. Delta 1, 0, Niner, November.
Radar contact. Waypoint. Delta 1.